Crusader! It's time to kick ass and chew bubble gum. And I'm all out of gum.
Hello again, everybody. It's Freddie Mac, and it's time for another ham radio how-to. How would you like to be able to schedule your AllStar node to connect and disconnect to other nodes on a schedule? Well, tune into this video and you can figure out how to do that all by yourself. Do you join a weekly net on AllStar on a regular schedule? Do you sometimes forget to connect that net before it starts? I can help you with that. How would you like it if your AllStar node would connect automatically on a schedule so that you never missed that next net that you join every week on AllStar? The first thing we need to do is SSH into our AllStar node, and when we get to the menu, go down to number 9 so that you can start a bash shell command line. And from there we need to make sure that we're in the proper directory, so we're going to cd /etc / /local. Now we're going to want to create a new file called condis.sh. So it's going to type nano space condis.sh. This will be our executable. And we're going to enter one line, but this line is probably the most important of them all. And it's important there where you see the node number almost to the end, the 6-digit number. Your node number may be 5 digits or 6 digits, but this is the node number of your node. So make sure you put that there. Now you can hit Control X. Be sure to hit yes to save and enter to exit. Then we're going to hit dir, make sure that our new file is there, and it is. And now we've got to make it executable. So we're going to type in chmod space 755 space the file name condis.sh and hit enter. This makes it executable. Now we're going to go in and modify our cron tab. As you know, the cron tab is the scheduler of the AllStar system that can really help you automate a few things. So the thing to type in is cron tab space -e and hit enter. This will edit our cron tab. As you can see here, I've already entered 2 lines. They're the last 2 lines. Need to read exactly like that, where 00 is the minute, space 12 is the hour, and then the number 4 is the day of the week. Next is the path, /etc /*, it's easy to say, /local /condis.sh, that's your file, space *3 to connect, and then the node number, in this case 58176. The very next line is to disconnect, and we change it to *1 to disconnect, and the same node number to disconnect from it. Now you can hit Control X, be sure to hit yes to save, and enter to exit. Now we need to run some tests and just see if our new executable file works. Period / condis, condis.sh, *3 to connect, plus the node number you want to connect to, and hit enter.
Node 58176 connected to node 5763330.
Then we're going to just type in *1 and the node number at the end of the next line to make it disconnect. Let's see if this works.
Node 58176 disconnected.
Outstanding. Now we've got a functioning schedule for our AllStar. You can also go to this website here. It's called crontab.guru. If you want to automate other things and you want to make sure you've got your syntax right in your cron tab line, you can see here how to format it. The first set of digits is the minute, the second set of digits is the hour, the third is the day of the month, the fourth is the month, and the fifth is the day of the week. And as you type in these spots, it'll tell you up above exactly what your line means. It will help you do a lot of things. I use it to set these AllStar node connections. But you can do all kinds of things if you want to do it every day of the week. There's all kinds of variables in those values down there that you can play with. Special thanks goes out to Brad Kellison, N8PC, for guiding me through this entire process and teaching me a new skill on my AllStar node. You can visit his website there to see his club repeater. Well, once again, I'd like to thank everyone for watching my video, and I'd appreciate it if you give us a like and subscribe to my channel. I can do a lot of things, and I mean I can do a lot of things. But one thing I cannot do is make this channel successful without your help. So please tell your friends, tell your family, tell your next door neighbors. And you know the guy that comes and brings that mail to your house? Yeah, what do we call him? Oh yeah, the mailman. Yeah, tell him too, or her. You know, they watch YouTube too. As I've probably said too many times, and you're probably sick of hearing, I'm retiring come July 1st after 33 years in law enforcement, and my YouTube channels are going to be my side gig. And I'd appreciate it if you'd tell everyone and encourage them if they are into ham radio at all. Hey, give me a like, give me a subscribe, leave a comment. I'd appreciate it. Good, bad, indifferent. Tell me how I can improve myself. Tell me what you'd like to see me do. This is my journey back to ham radio. I've been neglecting ham radio for a lot of years because of work and family and the whole 9 yards, but hey, I've got time now, a little bit anyway. I'd like to get back into ham radio and make myself better and contribute to the hobby. So please check out my website, hamradiolife.org, and my other website for my history YouTube channel, okie-adventure.com. We explore small town history in Oklahoma there and hope to venture out as the time goes on. That's from me and my cousin, Eric Lovell. So I'd appreciate all your support there. In the meantime, I'd like to say 7 threes and may the good signals be yours. I'm Fred, K85FMU. Over and out.